Hi, my name is Daniel. Join me as I take you through many visual effects inside my kitchen. Did I ever tell you I was a fighter? Yeah, that was a really good one, you know? Yeah, check this out. Whoa. From the looks of things, it seems to be another negative effect. I can't be too sure. Oh man, they did a terrible job. Look at my purple hair. Oh, this will work. Oh man, this is so cool. Check this out. This will work. Alright. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, no. No, I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, hey, check this out. Who said I can't move like a matrix? May the force be with you. Oh man, whoever drew my hair did a terrible job. Check this out. Oh man, I'm all beat out. Yeah, so hey, these are just several of the other visual effects you can do for your cameras and, you know, whatever you buy. So, you know, go out there, buy some stuff, and post it on YouTube, dude. Other than that, I'm Daniel, and this has been a couple of visual effects in my kitchen. So, catch you later.